great setup right here. We got a grass field, and right on the edge of the grass is a plowed field, and these birds aren't going into the plow. They're staying right on the edge of this grass. They're roosted just beyond this hedgerow behind us. And I'll tell you what, they've been hanging out in this field almost every day, so we're crossing our fingers and hoping they continue to do what they have been doing. It's been raining. It's a first day with a break in the weather. I'll tell you, it looks good. So hopefully old Pretty Boy will suck them in for us. Let's see what happens. I don't like going back out into the field and repositioning, but those birds are coming from over here. And Pretty Boy was directly in line with us, so he could if their attention was drawn to him, they'd see right through him and possibly see us. So by moving them over a little bit, it'll direct their attention away from our position, hopefully bring him across in front of us. So hopefully I made the right move.
Scratching plastic in the morning.
I don't know why we use Winchester extended range when we're shooting them at that distance, but I'll tell you what, Dave, that was just absolutely awesome, man. Pure textbook, unbelievable, gorgeous bird. I got to go check them out, man. I got to go check them out.
Good job, man.
You do not want to see the hooks on this dude. Dave?
Oh my God.
You zoom in on them?
Hang on. The autofocus.
Hang on. A little better? Look at that. Beautiful beard. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous bird. Is he double bearded? Dude, double beards. Double beards, baby. Yes! This is what it's all about, man. You know, this season has been phenomenal. You know, Dave has helped. We've had a youth hunt this year and everything. And, you know, the guys that are on the team, I can't thank them enough. Every single one does, you know, not just Dave, but, you know, the whole team. I'm not going to run through all the names, but you guys know who you are. And it's truly a pleasure to have these type of friends that work together to do things like this and share experiences like this together. It's amazing. I feel blessed. And Dave, this is just another morning with you that I won't forget, and this is absolutely awesome. And I guess I got work to do now. Perfect. I'll tell you, you know, what an absolutely perfect end to a perfect morning. Everything worked out right. We came in here with the crow call. We needed something a little bit louder than an owl because those birds were kind of off here. As you can hear in the background, we've got a lot of noise from the road just a mile or two off from us here. Really noisy. That crow call this morning really cut the air, cut the noise that was going on. We were able to get those birds gobbling in the distance. So everything worked out perfect. Now my heart's still going. This never gets old for me. So we're gonna pack this dude up. Gun is open. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do here? I'm gonna get this so it doesn't come off. And let's pick up Pretty Boy from the scene of the crime and head on out of here.